Hey everyone, this is Alex. Welcome back to Pickdigi. If you love discovering the latest and greatest gadgets on the market, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best electric pressure washers of 2024. Whether you're tackling tough grime, cleaning your driveway, or washing your car, we've got the perfect pressure washers to make your life easier. Check out the links in the description to get yours today and support our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. The Westinghouse SPX3000 is a powerful electric pressure washer designed to tackle tough cleaning tasks with ease. It delivers up to 2,500 psi and 1.76 GPM, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning jobs, from washing cars and patios to cleaning driveways and fences. The pressure washer features anti-tipping technology, ensuring stability during use, which is a great safety feature. One of the standout features of the SPX3000 is its onboard soap tank, which allows for quick and easy soap application without the need to stop and refill. It also comes with a pro-style steel wand that is durable and easy to handle, providing a comfortable grip during extended use. The pressure washer includes a 5-nozzle set, 0 degree, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap, offering versatility for different cleaning tasks. The SPX3000 is designed to be user-friendly, with 360 degrees quick lock wheels that make it easy to move around and position the unit as needed. It is also relatively lightweight at 19 pounds, making it easier to transport and store compared to heavier models. Pros include its high power, which delivers up to 2,500 psi and 1.76 GPM for effective cleaning. The anti-tipping technology ensures stability and safety during use, and the onboard soap tank is convenient for quick soap application. The Pro-style steel wand is durable and comfortable to use, and the 5-nozzle set provides versatility for different cleaning tasks. The 360 degrees quick lock wheels make it easy to move and position. Cons are that at 19 pounds, it might be a bit heavy for some users, and it is slightly higher priced compared to some other models in its class. In conclusion, the Westinghouse SPX3000 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile electric pressure washer. Its combination of high power, anti-tipping technology, and user-friendly features make it perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks around the home. Whether you're washing your car, cleaning the patio, or tackling tough grime on the driveway, the SPX3000 has the muscle to get the jobs done. The PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer 3800 is an impressive cleaning tool that combines power, durability, and ease of use. With 3,800 psi of water pressure and a 2.4 GPM water flow, it can effortlessly tackle dirt, grime, and stubborn stains on various surfaces like driveways, patios, decks, and vehicles. One of the standout features of this model is its durable Encore pump, which ensures longevity and requires low maintenance, making it a reliable choice for regular use. The pressure washer's compact design and sturdy wheels make it easy to maneuver around your workspace, while the included 20-foot high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord provide ample reach for most cleaning projects. It also comes with multiple nozzles, including a turbo nozzle, allowing you to adjust the water pressure according to the task at hand. For those tougher cleaning jobs, it even includes a brass foam cannon to apply soap and deep clean surfaces more effectively. Another great feature is the Total Stop System, TSS, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging the pump's lifespan. The integrated hose reel keeps the high-pressure hose organized and prevents tangling, adding to the user-friendly design. Pros include the high power of 3,800 psi and 2.4 GPM, a durable Encore pump, compact and easy maneuverability, versatile cleaning with multiple pressure tips, and the included brass foam cannon for enhanced cleaning. On the downside, it may be overpowered for very light tasks, and the initial setup can be a bit complex for beginners.
Additionally, it is heavier than some other models, despite its compact design.
In conclusion, the PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer 3800 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance cleaning tool. Its combination of power, durability, and user-friendly design makes it perfect for both occasional use and regular maintenance tasks. The Joe SPX3000 is a versatile and powerful electric pressure washer, offering great value for its price. It boasts 20-30 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow, making it capable of tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks, from washing cars and patios to cleaning decks and driveways. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to maneuver and store, while the included 20-foot high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord provide ample reach for most projects. This model features a 14.5-MP motor that generates a strong stream of water to effectively remove dirt and grime. It comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, allowing you to adjust the pressure and spray pattern based on the cleaning task at hand. The onboard dual detergent tanks make it convenient to switch between different types of cleaning solutions, enhancing its versatility. The SPX3000 also includes a total stop system, TSS, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging the life of the pump. The nozzles range from 0 degree, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and a soap nozzle, providing flexibility for various cleaning tasks. This model also has a convenient hose reel for easy storage of the high-pressure hose and keeping it tangle-free. However, it has a few drawbacks. The initial setup can be a bit complex for beginners, and the electric cords can sometimes get in the way during use. Additionally, while it offers great power, it may be overpowered for very light tasks, and some users may find it a bit bulky to store despite its compact design. In conclusion, the Joe SPX3000 is an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a reliable, high-performance electric pressure washer at an affordable price. Its combination of power, portability, and versatility makes it perfect for both occasional use and regular maintenance tasks. The HPW3200 is a powerful and innovative electric pressure washer that stands out for its cordless design and impressive performance. It delivers up to 3,200 psi at 1.2 GPM, making it highly effective for a variety of cleaning tasks, from washing cars and patios to cleaning decks and driveways. The pressure washer is powered by two 6.0 Ah lithium batteries, providing up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge. One of the standout features of the HPW3200 is its peak power technology, which combines the power of any 256 volts ARC lithium batteries to deliver up to 3,200 psi at 1.2 GPM, up to 2.0 GPM max. For powerful and efficient cleaning. The unit includes a handheld pressure control that allows you to select eco, high, and turbo modes, as well as view the battery charge status via the wand integrated display. The pressure washer also features a telescopic handle that pulls out for easy transport and collapses for compact storage one. It comes with a range of nozzles, including a 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees nozzle, a turbo nozzle, and a rinse nozzle, providing flexibility for various cleaning tasks. Additionally, it includes a foam cannon for applying soap and deep cleaning surfaces, and a stainless steel wand for durability. However, there are a few drawbacks. The HPW3200 may be overpowered for very light tasks, making it more suited for heavy-duty cleaning jobs. The initial setup can be a bit complex for beginners, and the unit is heavier than some other models despite its compact design. Additionally, its higher price point compared to corded models may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. In conclusion, the EGO HPW3200 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, portable, and efficient electric pressure washer. Its combination of high performance, cordless convenience, and long runtime makes it perfect for both occasional use and regular maintenance tasks. The Active 2.0 electric pressure washer is a compact powerhouse designed to deliver high performance and efficiency. This model features a 5-piston Pro pump that ensures exceptional durability and performance, making it suitable for both home and professional use. It generates a robust pressure of 2000 psi at 1.8 GPM, making it ideal for tackling tough grime and dirt on various surfaces, including driveways, patios, decks, and vehicles. One of the standout features of the Active 2.0 is its patented and innovative design, which includes a pressure adjustment function. This allows you to dial in the exact pressure you need for different cleaning tasks, offering versatility and precision. The pressure washer comes with a range of nozzles, including 0 degree, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and a soap nozzle, providing flexibility for various cleaning needs. It also includes an onboard soap tank for easy detergent application, enhancing its cleaning efficiency. The compact and lightweight design, combined with its sturdy wheels, makes it incredibly easy to maneuver and store. The unit also features a 35-foot power cord and a 25-foot high-pressure hose, providing ample reach for most cleaning projects. The integrated hose reel keeps the high-pressure hose organized and prevents tangling, adding to the user-friendly design. Pros of the Active 2.0 include its high power with 2000 psi and 1.8 GPM, a durable 5-piston Pro pump, compact and easy maneuverability, multiple nozzles for versatile cleaning, an onboard soap tank for easy detergent application, and the innovative pressure adjustment function. However, it may be overpowered for very light tasks, and the initial setup can be a bit complex for beginners. Additionally, it is slightly heavier than some other models despite its compact design. In conclusion, the Active 2.0 electric pressure washer is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance cleaning tool. Its combination of power, durability, and user-friendly design makes it perfect for both occasional use and regular maintenance tasks. Thanks for joining us today on Pickdigi. We hope you found our review of the top 5 electric pressure washers of 2024 helpful. Remember, all the product links are in the description below, so check them out and support our channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome gadget reviews. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned and hit that notification bell to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.